Hi everyone, how to solve for x in this equation 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 4 to the power of x minus 2. Solution. Here we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 4 to the power of x minus 2. Let's take the log of both sides. Ln of 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to ln of 4 to the power of x minus 2. Then, at this point, we can now apply the power of rule of logarithm. That is, if you have ln of a to the power of b, this is equal to b ln of a. Then this can be written as x plus 1 bracket ln of 3 is equal to, this is x minus 2 bracket ln of 4. Let's open the bracket. X multiplied by ln of 3. This is x ln of 3 plus 1 multiplied by ln of 3. This is ln of 3 is equal to x multiplied by ln of 4. This is s ln of 4 minus 2 multiplied by ln of 4. This is 2 ln of 4. Let's collect the like times. Here is s ln of 3 minus s ln of 4 is equal to minus 2 ln of 4, then minus ln of 3. Here s is common, let's bring it out. S bracket ln of 3 minus ln of 4 is equal to minus 2 ln of 4 minus ln of 3. Let's divide both sides of this equation by ln of 3 minus ln of 4. This divided by ln of 3 minus ln of 4. Then this divided by ln of 3 minus ln of 4. This, we cancel this. S is equal to minus 2 ln of 4 minus ln of 3 divided by ln of 3 minus ln of 4. But ln of 3 is equal to 1.0986. That is log 3. Then a natural log of 4, ln of 4 is equal to 1.3863. So we can now substitute here. The whole of this can be written as s is equal to minus 2 bracket ln of 4, that is 1.3863 minus ln of 3, 1.0986 divided by then ln of 3, that is 1.0986 minus ln of 4, that is 1.3863. 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1.3863. Then we have minus 2.7726, then minus 1.0986 divided by 1.0986 minus 1.3863, and this is S. Then if you subtract minus 2.7726 minus 1.0986, we have S is equal to minus 3.8712 divided by 1.0986 minus 1.3863. This is minus 0.2877. Now, if you divide minus 3.8712 by minus 0.2877, S is equal to 13.47. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.